Following his election by community members and certification by the Anambra State government, Igwe Ifurunwa of Ihite in Orumba South local government area has been coronated by elders of the community and held his first Ofala festival, during which one of the illustrious sons of the community and former chairman of Orumba South local government area, Chief Cyprian Okereke, among others, received the chieftaincy title. ABS correspondent Joseph Ebocha has the details.
Speaking after his coronation, Igwe Ifurunwa, who commended and called on his people to champion unity in the community, starting at the smallest unit, also commended the transparency with which Ihite Development Union handled the process that led to his emergence, as well as the resolve of the Soludo administration to entrench peace in Ihite, calling on investors to take advantage of opportunities in the community.
No matter how little under our watch, transparency will be the order of the day.
President General of Ihite Development Union, Mr. George Mado, an estate surveyor and valuer, thanked God for the peaceful emergence of Igwe Ifurunwa as the new traditional ruler of the community and urged Ihite sons and daughters to rally round Igwe Ifurunwa for continued development of the community. Appreciating the honor done him, Chief Okereke, with the traditional title of Ogbuehituragwa, one of Ihite, promised to continue to use his positions to attract good things to the community.
It's so nice that the present original ruler, Igwe Ifurunwa, decided to recognize all these things. I'm very happy.
From Ihite in Orumba South local government area, Joseph Ebocha reporting for ABS News.